Hello, I'm the leader of Group 2 and I'll be showing you today our Lab 7 activity. First is the first source code, which we are tasked to do here. Write a C++ program that utilizes looping and the tab escape to print the following tables of value, especially like this. So as you can see, first we have using namespace std as the usual and iostream for the everything usage. And here in our int main, we declared num1, num or equals to 1, and cout, which will input the top of the numbers, which is the n squared, n cubed, and etc. And here we have while. Inside the while is num is less than equals to 5, meaning numbers 5 and lower will be shown here inside the while, meaning 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here's the formula, it's the power, and let us start. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's squared, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. And if it's cubed, 1, 8, 37, so on and so forth. What our next code is make a program that will input the 10 numbers and determine the average and display all numbers that are smaller than the average. Okay. As usual, we have include IOs to include CMAT for operations and formulas to use using namespace as usual. Here in our int name, we declared n number, initial and float. We also float num and get it to 100 and sum to 0.0. We also double average for to be used as a declared word for our formula or the result of our sum and num. Here inside our while, as as said, it will need 10 numbers, so n equals to 10. So inside 4, so you can see I is less than n, see out, and then 10 numbers, meaning we have to input 10 numbers for it to continue. As you can see, because n, I is less than n, and n equals to 10 here. After you input here in cn, excuse me, the sum and the number you input will be added together. And here it will be now the average by sum over 10. Yes, that is the number, how many numbers you input. Next is cout, which will be show the average. In the next line, it will show the numbers that are, excuse me, that are lower than the average that we have got. Here is the formula, which is for in for I, if I equals to less than 10, meaning it's the same as this. So it will proc or it will go through this code as inside it is the if. The num I, the number you input, and the average, the result here in our sum over 10, it will now show the num I that is lower than average. Let's try. Let's input 10, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 10, 23, and let's go with 9. The average 8.9. The number below average are 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3. Okay. And for our analysis on this is that while looping is interesting because it is set in a specific function or command to follow, and if that command is fulfilled, then the next operation will stop. Because on while looping, you can put anything you want as long as it's in the limit you set. And in conclusion, my conclusion to this is the while looping is useful whenever you have multiple integers input and to transform that data into the result you want, like sum, average, squared, and etc. And that is all. Thank you for listening.